Okay guys, we are back today with a quick tour and overview of the all-new 2019 Ford Edge ST. Now, I've been really excited to get a video on one of these because if you have followed my channel closely, you will know that I have a 2010 Lincoln MKX. They're pretty much the same thing as far as same size and everything goes in driving. I don't want to compare the driving of my car to this because it's probably not even anywhere near close. But anyways, I'm an SUV guy now, and it's cool to see that ST trim come out because I owned a Focus ST at one time. And I can easily see myself in one of these in a couple years from now, for sure. But we'll get started with this one. This one does have a Gate black exterior color. This one does have a light metallic flake in it. This one is dirty and the sun's not out, so you really can't see it today. But it looks really nice with the black on black, and I'm sure this one does not have the upgraded rotor package. You get red rotors if you have another upgraded package. But anyways, LED headlights with your fog lights down below. You have a really nice honeycomb grille with your ST badging right there. It looks really nice. I mean, they really did a good job on this. I do apologize for the wind. Can't do a whole lot about that right now. But you do have 21-inch black alloy wheels. They have a machined face on them. I don't exactly like them. I think you can get another option though. They're right on your Hankook Ventus tires. LED turn signals right there. Heated mirrors, of course, and your blind spot monitoring. Keyless entry right there. Now, new for the 2019 Edge in general, as you can see, they did away with the light bar. It looks really nice though, but for the ST, you do have your really nice chrome tipped exhaust right there with your trailer package. And it's still an SUV though, so it's got to be rugged in one way or another. But it looks really nice. Ford did a great job on it. Now, if we can look at the window sticker, I think this is a pretty basic ST. It does have another equipment package though, for $5,000, so I don't want to say it's basic. You get the panoramic moonroof and a bunch of other safety tech. This one is tickered at $48,000. It's a lot of money for an SUV, especially a Ford. You have a 2.7 liter turbo EcoBoost in this. I can imagine it's probably pretty quick. But we'll check out the interior now. Again, this is going to be a quick video. I don't have a whole lot of time to go into detail here. But anyways, checking out the interior, you are greeted with a really nice Ford Performance kick plate right here that looks really cool. And looking at these seats, and they are slightly more bolstered, as you can tell. I didn't know if they were, but they certainly are when you sit in them. But they're a nice suede material with your leather. You have an ST embroidered right there. Fully powered driver's seat, of course, and your pedals are really nice and machined. But sitting on into the car, you really kind of fit in this like a glove. And I'm a bigger guy, and it really does feel right at home, and I do really like it. But we'll shut the door and look at the door panel materials. It's basically the same thing out of the Edge, the previous generation as well. Everything is all really well soft touch, put together really nicely. You have a bunch of stitching down here. And everything is just really typical SUV Ford stuff. As you can see, Ford did give the 2019 Edge fog lights, automatic headlights, gauge dimming, power trunk, and your traction control. And you do have a power steering wheel right there. This one does have the B&O audio system. And I was demoing this before I started the video, and this absolutely blows my THX system away in my Lincoln. So, I mean, I can easily see myself in one of these down the road. But anyways, looking at the wheel, you have a special ST wheel with your perforated leather, and it is stitched colored as well. And your ST right there. And again, I'm so flattered that they made a car, an ST SUV. It's so cool. No key, of course, but you do have your special red needle for your ST as well. And you just hit that and it'll turn on your Sync 3 system. All your buttons are hard buttons, so that's really nice to see. Again, I said this sound system blows. It's a great audio system. You have an 8-speed automatic as well. I'm not a fan of the hockey puck. I wish they kind of kept with the traditional gear lever, but it is what it is. You have some storage down there with your USBs. Dashboard is all nice and soft touch, of course, and you have some storage in there. You have some faux carbon fiber following across the dashboard over there, and then there's your console. It is damp as well. And all your controls up here, your power home link, power roof controls. You have a glass roof in this one as well, which is a really nice feature to have. You have a 2-stage center console with your 12-volt down there, and it's deep, so get a hold of it. Your auto start stop, and your parking assist right here in your electronic e-brake. But overall, there's the front, and we'll try to pop the hood. Again, I know this is kind of all over the place. I'm doing what I can though. It's pretty cold out today. So coming to the rear without dinging this one, all your seating materials do follow through really nicely. And I like how Ford kept the detail and they actually put perforated inserts right there. And you have dual mat pockets as well. Heated seats for the rear and your vents and your 12 volt and your household outlet right there. And again, all door materials do follow through. Again, you would expect that for a $50,000 SUV. I'm thoroughly impressed with this right now. And I like the materials. Again, it's cold out today, but I'm not feeling cold because of the suede. And it's perforated as well. So there's your center console armrest. So come back here and pop the trunk real fast. It is power, of course. What I noticed, Ford actually did make the trunk open higher, so tall people like myself will not run into the tailgate. But looking at this, everything's basic Ford Edge back here. You have your seating controls to lower the seats. You have LED lights back there with your subwoofer and a spare tire, and your power trunk is right up there. So we'll come around and check out under the hood real fast. That door doesn't want to latch for some reason. Alright, so under the hood is a 2.7 liter EcoBoost, making around 350 horsepower. It's pretty good numbers for such a small engine, but there you go. As usual, guys, thank you for watching, and we will talk to you all later.